Fire damage is a difficulty no one wants to face. Rainbow Restoration is here to help. We'll be with you every step of the way till your home is restored to how it used to be. Give us a call once the fire is extinguished. We answer 24/7, and the restoration process begins immediately. Our compassionate team will ask questions to help determine the best solutions for your needs. We will promptly dispatch a Rainbow Restoration team, recognizable in our branded vehicles and uniforms. Our team will respect your home, using mats and shoe covers, and work quickly and safely to minimize disruption. We'll start with a safety inspection to address any urgent hazards, or those that will slow the restoration process. This usually takes between 1 to 6 hours depending on the damage. Our team will set up a containment, isolating the affected areas until permanent repairs can be completed. To counteract the smell of smoke, our technicians will remove burnt materials from the property. Then they will deploy specialized deodorization equipment. It may be necessary to vacate the premises, and we'll inform you of how long the process should take depending on the damage. We'll explain to you the process to complete the job and make sure everything is done safely. It's common to have personal property removed to be restored. We'll work with you to make a full inventory and document the damage, then take your items to a temperature-controlled facility for restoration. Finally, we close out the project by walking you through each item on our checklist, so you feel confident everything has been completed properly. Depending on the extent of the damage, you may require reconstruction. Learn more about the reconstruction process by watching our What to Expect Rainbow Restoration Reconstruction Services video at rainbowrestores.com.